So here it has been told that a tank is there with a rectangular base. So it is having a rectangular base and it has rectangular sides also. It has got rectangular sides also, and which is open at the top. The top part is open. And it has to be constructed so that the depth is 2 meters and the volume should be 8 meter cube. If building of the tank costs rupees 70 per meter square for the base and rupees 45 per meter square for the sides. So the cost is rupees 70 per meter square for the base, and the cost is rupees 45 per meter square for the sides. So what is the cost of the least expensive tank? Least expensive tank. So now let's suppose the breadth, if I take it as X, and the length, if I take it as Y. So now therefore the volume and the depth, which, or I can say it as the height is given as 2 meters. So the volume will be length into breadth into height. So that will be X into Y into H, which is 2. So 2xy meter cube. So now that is given as 8 meter cube. So therefore 2xy, that is equal to 8. Hence y I can write it as equal to 8 by 2x, which is equal to 4 by x meters. So now therefore the total cost, first we have to find the total area of the base. First we have to find the area of the base of the tank. That is length into breadth, x into y, that is equal to 4 meter square. And then the area, or you can say that the total area of the sides. Total area of the sides will be that is perimeter of the base into height. That is 2 into length plus breadth into 2. So that is 4 into x plus y meter square. So y can be written as 4 by x. So we can write it as 4 into x plus 4 by x meter squared. Now therefore, the total cost of making the tank, or the total cost of building the tank, that will be equal to, that is the area of the base. First we have to find area of the base into the cost for constructing the base, which is 70 rupees per meter square. Then plus the area of the sides, which is first, then we can write area of the total area of the sides into the rate of the cost for making the sides, that is rupees 45. So this much is in rupees. So we can write this, it is the total cost in rupees for building the tank. So that is 70 into 4 plus, that is 45 into 4 into x plus 4 by x. This much rupees. So that should be minimized. So we can say this is c of x, which is the cost function as in the function in terms of x. So we have to minimize. So we have to minimize the cost. So we need to find the minimum value of c of x. We need to find the minimum value of c of x. Now therefore c of x, that is equal to 74 or 7 is 28. So 280 plus this will be 45 into 4, that is 5 is 20, 4 16, 180 into x plus 4 by x, this much in rupees. This is the cost in rupees. So now this should be minimized. Therefore, we can say that the minimum value of c of x will be when minimum value of c of x will be when c dash x that is equal to 0 and c double dash x that is greater than 0. Then only x will be the local minima of the function c of x. When x is the local minima of the function c of x. Now, therefore, c dash x that will be equal to 0 plus 180 into 1 plus 1, then minus 4 by x square, that should be equal to 0. So it means that 1 should be equal to 4x square, means that x square should be equal to 4. So therefore, we can say that x is equal to plus or minus 2. So now, therefore, c of minus 2. So now x is the length, or x is the width, actually width of the tank, so which cannot be negative. So therefore x should be equal to 2, since x should not be negative. X should not be negative, as x is the width of the tank. So now, therefore, c dash 2 that is equal to 0. And then we have to find c double dash x. So that is equal to 180 into 0, then plus 4 into 2 by x cube. So c double dash x is equal to, so 8 is 64, it was 814, 1440 by x cube. So therefore c double dash 2 that is equal to 1440 by 8, that is equal to 180, which is greater than 0. So therefore x equal to 2 is the point of local minima. X equal to 2 is the point of local minima of the function f of x, of the function c of x, So it means that c of 2 is the minimum cost, minimum value of c of x. Therefore c of 2 that will be equal to 17 to 4, that is 280. 280 plus, that is 45 into 4, that is 180. 180 into 2 plus 4 by 2, that will be equal to 280 plus 180 into 4, that will be equal to 280 plus 0, 4 0 is a 0, 4 8 is a 32. So 720 plus 280, that is 0 0, and then 3, so that is 1000. Therefore the minimum cost or you can say the cost of the least expensive tank is rupees 1000. The cost of the least expensive tank is rupees 1000. So this is the final answer. Thank you.